the cable car, the whole length of it. You can see it goes all the way up that mountain. Currently you can see 4 cars, 2 going towards the other end and 2 coming towards us. I'll just zoom in this one for you. There's a couple, you can see. And let me show you another one. There is another one coming. Just zoom in, you can see both of them at the same time. Number 9 and number 5. There you go. That's really interesting stuff. So soon we'll be up there along with them. There are 4 cars on the screen right now. Let me take you up the cable car pillar so that you can get a glimpse of the distance. There you go, further up. There you are. That's the end destination. Let me zoom in. There are 4 more cars on the screen. And zoom in further. There you go. That's our end destination. And if I zoom out all the way, you can get a fairly good idea about the distance. And there is a river below us. Unfortunately, I've forgotten the name. It wasn't very easy to remember. There you go, that's a river. And this is the cable car. This is Manakama cable car ride. It costs about $20 for foreigners. And must be a lot cheaper for the locals. So our guide is taking care of everything, so we have nothing to worry. Before I go and join the queue of people who are waiting for their turn, let me zoom in once again for a closer look for these cable cars. Okay guys, wait more interesting videos. Hopefully we can capture some breathtaking views, but it will be through these glasses. So long as the glass is clean, I'm sure we'll be able to get some interesting shots. Right. Okay, I'll show you these 2 also. There you go. Very interesting. Alright, we'll see you later then.